Unidentified gunmen opened fire on oil tankers along the National Highway 37 in Falgziri Road and also assaulted drivers along the highway. Condemning the incident, all Manipur Petroleum Products Transporters Associations and all Manipur Petroleum Products Drivers Association launched steering wheel down strike until adequate security is provided to oil tankers. The two associations also decided to close Malom Oil Depot and all the oil pumps from tomorrow until a negotiation is brought over the matter. Addressing the media today at Kaithel Manbi, AMTA President El Somendro narrated that 169 oil tankers were heading towards Imphal along National Highway 37 yesterday, and as the tankers were passing through Nungba area at around 8:30 p.m., unidentified assailants fired bullets on two of the oil tankers. He said bullets hit tankers with registration numbers AS01, GC3847 and AS25, BC5299. Somendra complained that government is turning deaf ear over their repeated pleas to provide adequate escorts to vehicles along the national highway as antisocial activities like extortion by unknown miscreants are frequently reported. He also said miscreants have now hiked their extortion amount from ₹4,000 rupees to 4,500 rupees per vehicle.
Manipur government amasung mari lenabasing da hype si hanjan tanki gari amasung LPG da hanjan lut tobasing na tawribasing che thingbiyo na kera kan haidan la abni mari lenaba department na action amta lokut pitabigi mamining si thoibi incident se gari taragi mathakta thugari gari ani ama bullet injury oi masina maram oidina IOC malom depot ki function hayeng de ki tororoi aro pam singa driver community ki gieng biraga pam sing ju thonglo na ban akhoi ne chu request tokre yanadir phawdi akhoi MT changdabi warep che ngasi degi logjare lote dum lakani adu malom di pota koi khali to bugi program di leroi nungba da khambilong da tukul nungul lauri mem se hana lupali singa amaga changma chatu lorom di hujik lupali mari makhai gi mathakta lokhlakpa driver amasung mapusing da pu thangba ngamakta degi maru ina paisa pi da degi tholokpa ngasi gi incidents ne na aisu hajani.
Speaking to media, AMDA Secretary Mukta Nongbri said they have repeatedly approached Manipur Chief Secretary to provide adequate security to drivers who are transporting goods for people along the national highways by risking their lives. He also condemned that unknown miscreants had assaulted drivers with sticks and questioned who will take responsibility if any untoward incidents happen to the drivers.
First time the machine no maru palakan Chief Secretary the chu ina high krabaneaba. Chieshu thagat krabaneaba. Karamba security no ekoi the piriche. Nahan adugi ekoi chet thagale ekoi tongana pubiro request ore. Pire tongana. Adu piraga ekoi tongana piro hai beche. Tight security the puna begineaba. Shibu tight security ra. This has been happening repeatedly. Thao hai beche tang na yon ba opportunity. Bhara chu hingat pachu yade. Ekoi the paisa non stop the chum loan na lay riche. Sarkar bu labor lay tabra kwaina maruche. Who is responsible? Is the Chief Secretary responsible? Is the Kuldip Security Advisor to the CM? Or is the CM responsible? Tell us. We will sit down and talk it over. And that too with a white paper. Now, no playing games around this time.